All right, you guys, now we're in production. Let me show you what we're doing. We got the stacks of shirts laid out right there. They're ready to go. They're laid out by sizes right there. It's like an assembly line that'll basically come, and then the dryer is right here, press. I load the shirts right here, control panel. We got the unloader right here. Shirts spin around, come off, come right here, and we'll just see how much we can get done as quick as we can. So screens on there, production is good. We're gonna set up a time lapse and go. All over again. But you guys just saw us power through those shirts. That was like 500, 600 shirts on that cart that we finally wrapped up right here. And as you can see, we already got it boxed up. Shout out to my mom. The process we're doing is printing a size, coming here, boxing it up, and then we're also adding these stickers like I showed you. This just easily tells them what size is in there, what's in there, how many is in them. So these are good to go. Now we just get right back into production, and I got that fresh cart. I got that empty cart filled up again. We still got 4 big carts to do. Still a lot of shirts to do, but this thing's a beast. We're gonna get right back to it. We just got through a whole nother stack, and it's only 3 o'clock, and we've done just shy of 1,000 shirts. That's crazy. Now we're down to 3. That's crazy. All right, you guys, it's 6:18 p.m. now. We did 3 more boxes. We ended up starting the size larges as well. Shout out to my mom. She's a machine. She's behind the camera. But we did basically all of these boxes today, which wouldn't be possible without an automatic, because that thing just cranks. But this is over 1,000 pieces just today in just a few hours. Oh, that's actually so nice. This is amazing. This is like the official ink mixing area. All right, it's like past 10 o'clock. I caught myself back here. I did end up taking a break at like 7 o'clock. Went home, showered, felt brand new. So I ended up coming back and of course working. Set this thing up. I'm happy with how this looks. Super organized. Cleaned up over there. And I also, right by the press, I catch myself always in need of like a napkin or something. So I set this thing up right here. Can hang that up. Got baby wipes, got napkin. We're good. That's a good spot for that. Morning, we're in here working away. And my mom's birthday. That was 730 per hour. Crazy fast. Now we got 23 boxes set and ready to go. We got the labels on them, so we know what sizes is on them and everything. Now we're just gonna print up the last stack of shirts. As you see, my mom's comfortable enough to just go out there and start it on our own, which is crazy to me, because other than that, it would be just me. But with that auto, it just opened up a lot more doors for opportunity. 26 boxes, all done right there. It's 2:30 right now. We just finished up boxing everything up, and we got it all done right there. Whew. That really blows my mind, how quickly we were able to power through these shirts. Because manually, this would have took forever, as I'm sure I've already said in this video. But hopefully this gives everybody from the outside in a perspective on the change a piece of equipment can make, because that automatic is like a beast. Like we were going speeds upwards of 725 pieces per hour. Now obviously I wasn't going that speed the whole time, but it's like a car. You go like 100 miles per hour, you say you went 100 miles per hour. This is shirts per hour, prints per hour, same sort of concept. So it was crazy. We were averaging at about 300-400 per hour, which is good for two people. We cranked it out. That's just amazing. If you compare this to my other video, 500 t-shirts versus manual screen printer, that video took me way longer to do just those 500 shirts. So if you haven't watched that one would be a cool one to watch, comparing it to this one. But still got a couple hundred shirts right here that we got to do. Comfort colors. This one's actually getting some cool 7-color screen print. Of course, I'm gonna record that process as well. It's gonna be the end to this video. Thanks for following along. I appreciate everybody that's been riding with me. If you want to give us orders like this and maybe get featured in a video like this, check us out at aestheticimprints.com, or make sure you follow us at Aesthetic Imprints on Instagram, because that's where I'm active a ton. Make sure you check us out. It's been your boy. No grind, no glory, man. It feels good to be doing this at an automatic level now.